Good morning, dear students. Let's start. Next topic, chemical reactions. In last three classes, we have discussed about alcohols, preparation of alcohols, general introduction of phenol, method of preparation of phenol, chemical, physical properties of alcohols. Now today we start chemical reactions of alcohol. केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑफ alcohols में alcohols are versatile compounds. They react both as nucleophile and electrophile. The bond between oxygen and hydrogen is broken when alcohols reacted as nucleophiles. Basically, this one is alcohol. There is two types of reaction. Maybe this bond may be broken and this bond may be broken. In this bond, oxygen containing negative charge, oxygen already has two lone pair. So in this reaction, alcohol act as nucleophile. But if carbon oxygen bond is broken, carbon oxygen bond is broken, there will be positive charge on carbon atom. Then alcohol will act as electrophile. Okay. For example, in this alcohol act as electrophile. This one, alcohol as a nucleophile. This oxygen will act as nucleophile, and there will be nucleophilic substitution type reaction. Or this one, this oxygen will attack on cationic carbon. Protonated alcohols as electrophile. It means this one alcohol, first of all, protonation of this oxygen will take place, hydroxonium ion will form, and in this condition OH2 positive is a good leaving group. So the nucleophile like Br negative will attack on this carbon as nucleophile, and this carbon will act as electrophile. ओके तो बेसिकली दो टाइप की रिएक्शन हो गई हमारे पास. एक वो रिएक्शंस जिनमें अल्कोहल न्यूक्लियोफाइल का काम करता है, एक वो रिएक्शन जिनमें अल्कोहल इलेक्ट्रोफाइल का काम करता है. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग वो रिएक्शन लेते हैं जिनमें ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन के बीच का बॉन्ड ब्रेक होता है. इन दिस बॉन्ड ब्रेकिंग H plus eliminate as H plus, hydrogen will eliminate as H plus. So in this reaction alcohols will act as acidic nature or acidic compounds. So let's start. First reaction involving cleavage of OH bond, means ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन के बीच का बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा. इसमें फर्स्ट है एसिडिटी ऑफ अल्कोहल एंड फिनॉल. जैसा कि मैंने बताया है, इफ़ OH bond will break, then hydrogen will eliminate as H plus. So alcohol and phenol will act as acid. Reaction with metal. Alcohols and phenols react with active metals such as sodium, potassium and aluminium to yield corresponding alkoxide, phenoxide and hydrogen. Here will be alcohol will react with sodium and sodium alkoxide will formed. Like this tertiary butyl alcohol, this will react with aluminium and it will form aluminium tertiary butoxide. In same way, phenol will also reaction with active metal and phenoxide will be formed. From alcohol, alkoxide will formed and from phenol, phenoxide will formed. In addition of this, phenol react with aqueous sodium hydroxide to form sodium phenoxide. मीन्स अगर फिनॉल की रिएक्शन एक्टिव मेटल से करवाएंगे तो फिनॉक्साइड बनेगा, बट अगर हम लोग फिनॉल की रिएक्शन सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से भी करवाएं तो यहाँ पे एसिड बेस रिएक्शन होगी. ये बेस, ये एसिड, यहाँ से H2 एलिमिनेट होगा और सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड बन जाएगा. The reaction shows, the above reaction shows that alcohols and phenols are acidic in nature. I already told you that phenol and alcohols act as acid. In fact, alcohol and phenols are Bronsted acid. Bronsted acid means acids which donate H plus. They can donate a proton to a stronger base. मीन्स जो अल्कोहल और फिनॉल है वो बहुत ज़्यादा एसिडिक कंपाउंड नहीं है, इसलिए ये ऑलवेज स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस के साथ ही रिएक्शन करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस, ये अल्कोहल है, it will react with base and this conjugate acid will formed and conjugate base will formed. According to Bronsted theory, compounds which gives H plus called Bronsted acid and which accept H plus called Bronsted base. Okay. Next, acidity of alcohols. The acidic nature of alcohols is due to the polar nature of OH bond. An electron releasing group CH3, C2H5 increase electron density on oxygen, tending to decrease the polarity of OH bond. This decreases the acid strength of this reaction. For this region, the acid strength of alcohols decreases in the following order. Already in 11th class, you know, in 11th class there is one topic GOC. There is resonance, hyperconjugation and inductive effect. So the acidity of alcohols will decided on the basis of general organic chemistry like resonance, hyperconjugation and inductive effect. In OH we know that this one is polar bond and the polarity of this bond will decide the strength of acidic nature of alcohols. If there is electron withdrawing group on oxygen atom, if there is electron withdrawing group on this oxygen atom, there will be more polarity बिल्कुल between oxygen and hydrogen, and if there is electron releasing group on oxygen, then the polarity between oxygen and hydrogen will decrease, and due to decrease in polarity of oxygen hydrogen bond, the acidity of alcohols will decrease. For example, in primary alcohol there is only one R group, there is 2 R group and there is 3 alkyl group. So these alkyl groups are electron releasing group. So these groups will increase electron density on this oxygen atom. So the polarity between oxygen and hydrogen will decrease and the acidity of alcohols will also decrease. So you have to remember the acidity of order of alcohols of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree is always 1 degree more acidic than 2 degree than 3 degree. 1 degree alcohols are more acidic than 2 degree and 3 degree alcohols. This is very important thing. Alcohols are however weaker acid than water. This can be illustrated by the reaction of water with alkoxide. Means कि जो अल्कोहल होते हैं these are weaker acid than acid. Means हम लोग ये कह सकते हैं कि एस्ट्रो is more acidic than alcohols. But you have to remember that methanol, only methanol is more acidic than astro. All alcohols are weaker acid than water, but methanol is more acidic than water. Now we discuss acidity of phenols. There is two concepts. Number one, the main question of the about acidity of phenol is more acidic than alcohols, and the second question is why phenol is more acidic than alcohol. The most important thing about alcohol's acidity, that first thing, phenol is always more acidic than alcohol. The main thing is that after deprotonation or after the elimination of proton, the phenol will form phenoxide, and after removal of proton, alcohol will form alkoxide. Okay, this phenoxide will stabilized by resonance, and this alkoxide will not stabilized by resonance. Means phenoxide is more stable because of resonance, so the tendency to attached H plus again to phenoxide is less. मीन्स कि जो फिनोक्साइड है वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्टेबल है, तो इसकी जो हाइड H प्लस से जुड़ने की वापस जुड़ने की जो टेंडेंसी है वो बहुत कम होगी, और वापस जुड़ने की टेंडेंसी कम होगी मीन्स ये H प्लस इस फिनोक्साइड से हमेशा सेपरेट रहने की कोशिश करेगा, और सेपरेट रहने की कोशिश करेगा तो जो फिनोल है उसकी एसिडिटी भी उतनी ही ज़्यादा होगी. दूसरे शब्दों में, इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से that if any acid after deprotonation or removal of proton, it will form conjugate base. If the conjugate base of any acid is more stable, the corresponding acid will be more acidic. So it is clear that phenoxide is conjugate base of phenol, and phenoxide is more stabilized by the resonance. So due to the stability of this phenoxide, the corresponding acid means phenol will be more acidic. So there is clear that phenol is more acidic than alcohol because there is no concept of stability by resonance in alcohols. So very important question, that why phenol are more acidic than alcohols. So the major reason of this is the stability of phenoxide because of resonance. These are the resonating structures of phenol, and These are the resonating structure of phenoxide. Because of these resonating structures, phenoxide ions are more stable, and the main region of this stability is resonance. Resonance, you have already discussed in class 11th in general organic chemistry. So here there is no need to more discussion about the resonance. There are some examples of acidity of phenol: orthonitrophenol, metanitrophenol, and paranitrophenol. These are the three compounds. Orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol, or metanitrophenol. In these three compounds, there is minus R effect of NO2 group. So the acidity of these three nitrophenols are more than phenol. In this case, there is only in orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol minus R effect, but in metanitrophenol only minus I effect. So orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol will be more acidic than metanitrophenol. These are some other examples. Orthocresol. Orthocresol means there is CH3 on ortho position, so CH3 is electron releasing group, means there is plus H effect, so it will decrease the acidity of phenol. The relation of acidity of phenol to pK is inversely proportional, means more acidic, less pK value. For example, ethanol. Ethanol is alcohol and is very less acidic as compared to phenol. So the value of pKa of phenol is 10 and the value of pKa of ethanol is 15.9. So it is clear the acidity of acid inversely proportional to pKa. Acidity जितनी ज़्यादा होगी pKa की वैल्यू उतनी ही कम होगी, और एसिडिटी जितनी कम होगी पीके वैल्यू उतनी ही ज़्यादा होगी. So we have discussed first reaction of alcohol, in which the oxygen hydrogen bond is broken. In this type of reaction, we have discussed about acidity of alcohol and phenol, and we have also compared the acidity of alcohol and phenol. The second reaction of this type is esterification. What do you mean by esterification? The reaction in which ester is formed is esterification. In esterification, generally alcohols react with acid. Water molecule will eliminate and ester will be formed. This reaction is acid catalyzed reaction. This reaction is acid catalyzed reaction, means ये जो रिएक्शन होती है एस्टरिफिकेशन की वो एसिडिक मीडियम में होती है, या हम लोग ये कह सकते हैं कि एसिड कैटलाइज्ड, एसिड की प्रेजेंस में होती है. Alcohols and phenols are react with carboxylic acid and acid chlorides and anhydrides to form ester. For example, अल्कोहल और फिनोल जो है वो कैन रिएक्ट विथ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, एनहाइड्राइड एंड एसिड क्लोराइड. सो इन ऑल थ्री रिएक्शंस एस्टर विल बी formed. The reaction with carboxylic acid and acid anhydride is carried out in presence of small amount of concentrate sulfuric acid. The reaction is reversible and therefore water is removed as soon as it is formed. The reaction with acid chloride is carried out in presence of base like pyridine so as to neutralize HCl which is formed during the reaction. It shifts the equilibrium to the right hand side. The introduction of acetyl group in alcohols or phenol is known as acylation. Acylation of salicylic produces aspirin. This one salicylic acid and this will react with acetic anhydride, so there will be esterification between these two groups and acetyl salicylic acid will be formed, and this is generally known as aspirin. So we can say that the formation of aspirin from salicylic acid, it is also an example of esterification. So it is also an important reaction. So we have discussed two reactions in which OH bond is broken. Number one, acidic nature of alcohol and phenol, and number two, esterification. The identification of formation of ester is order means gandh, sugandh, order of रूटन एक्स, सड़े हुए अंडों जैसी गंध आती है एस्टर फॉर्मेशन में. Now we have discussed second type of reaction in which carbon oxygen bond will be broken. This one, carbon oxygen bond will be broken. By the breaking of this bond, there will be positive charge on carbon atom, so carbocation will be formed. The first reaction, the reaction with hydrogen halides. The reaction with hydrogen halides means alcohol will react with hydrogen halide means HX, maybe chlorine, bromine and iodine, etc. There will be nucleophilic substitution reaction, means first of all this H plus will protonate this oxygen and this one OH, H, hydroxonium ion will formed, and in this condition this R or carbon will act as electrophile and this X negative as nucleophile will attack and this H2O will eliminate and RX will be formed. It is clear that by the reaction of alcohol with HX, RX means alkyl halide will be formed. The second reaction with phosphorus halide. Reaction with phosphorus halide, for example, ROH react with PX3, phosphorus halide, PCl3 हो सकता है, PBr3 हो सकता है. In this case, also RX will be formed. This is also very important reaction. Next reaction है dehydration of alcohols. Dehydration of alcohols means suppose CH, OH, OH. There is OH group and at alpha carbon there is H group, so there will be H2O will be eliminate and alkenes will be formed. It is very important reaction. Means by the dehydration of alcohols, alkenes will be formed. For example, alcohols undergoes dehydration, removal of a molecule of water to form alkenes. On treating with a protic acid, like concentrate H2SO4, H3PO4, sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, or catalyst such as anhydrous, जिंक क्लोराइड और एल्यूमिना, इन सब की प्रेजेंस में, मीन्स किस किस की प्रेजेंस में, प्रोटिक एसिड लाइक H2SO4, प्रोटिक एसिड मीन्स जो प्रोटॉन दे सकता हो, H3PO4, नंबर 2 जिंक क्लोराइड, नंबर 3 एल्यूमिना Al2O3, इन तीनों की प्रेजेंस में अल्कोहल का डिहाइड्रेशन हो सकता है, और डिहाइड्रेशन से ऑलवेज एल्कीन फॉर्मेशन होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस वन, in presence of protic acid, H2O will eliminate, alkene will be formed. Same pattern will apply on this reaction. Next, secondary and tertiary alcohols are dehydrated under conditions. For example, secondary means isopropyl alcohol will dehydrate in presence of protic acid, or propene will be formed. Tertiary alcohol, this one, there will be also dehydration and this alkene will be formed. Thus, the reactivity Eg of dehydration of alcohols follows the following order: tertiary, secondary and primary. It is clear that from 1 degree, from 2 degree and 3 degree alcohols, in 3 degree alcohols more stabilized carbocation will be formed. Because of this more stable carbocation, from 3 degree alcohols, 3 degree alcohol will react fast dehydration reaction with acid. So order of reactivity of alcohols for dehydration is 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree, because of formation of more stable carbocation. नेक्स्ट डिस्कस करते हैं मैकेनिज्म ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन, मैकेनिज्म ऑफ डिहाइड्रेशन. मैकेनिज्म ऑफ डिहाइड्रेशन मीन्स formation in first step, formation of protonated alcohols. I already told you that in first step there will be protonation of oxygen atom. So this will proton on attack this oxygen and there will be protonation of this oxygen and oxonium ion will be formed. In second step, this oxonium ion will act as electrophile, and first of all in this electrophile OH2O, H2O will eliminate and this carbocation will be formed. Okay. In third step, in this carbocation, at this alpha carbon, this alpha hydrogen, we can say alpha hydrogen will eliminate and alkene will be formed. So there is 3 steps in dehydration. First step, protonation of oxygen. In this step, elimination of H2O, and third step, formation of alkene or elimination of H plus in third step. So it is clear that very important, this is dehydration mechanism. Next, oxidation of alcohols. The most important thing about oxidation of alcohols, you have to remember, you have to learn that 1 degree alcohol on oxidation gives aldehyde. 2 degree secondary alcohols gives ketone, and basically 3 degree alcohols are not oxidized. So you have to remember that 1 degree alcohol gives on oxidation aldehyde, 2 degree alcohols gives on oxidation ketone, and basically 3 degree alcohols are generally not oxidized. For example, this is 1 degree alcohol and by the oxidation of this gives aldehyde, and with A strong oxidizing reagent, aldehyde will further oxidized and carboxylic acid will be formed. Strong oxidizing agents such as acidified potassium permanganate are used to getting carboxylic acid from alcohols directly. CrO3, chromium oxide in anhydrous medium, is used as the oxidizing agent for the isolation of aldehydes. Means it is clear that there is 1 degree alcohol. If we will oxidize by KMnO4, and KMnO4 is a strong oxidizing reagent, so the final product will be carboxylic acid. And if we will oxidize by chromium oxide, this one is weak oxidizing reagent, and the final product will be aldehyde. There are some examples. So this is for alcohol, oxidation of alcohols. So in further now we have to discuss about reactions of phenol, and we will discuss about reaction on phenol in next class. ओके, तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में.